All right, today we're going to bring two LED lights, and these are great for outdoors and take them camping anywhere, even work at night, and they're water resistant. So if you guys can see, you have a full set of LED light, including the main light bulb for the LED light. And there is a charging station here, and there's a power button too also that's enabled in here. Now there's different kinds of modes that you need to be aware for the lighting, and we're going to take a look at them. But I'm actually working in a yard today, and it's very dark, and we're going to set this up, and I'm going to be using this for my ladder because I can't see at night here, especially walking where in my yard, my garden, and I have two dogs, so I got to be careful where I'm stepping at. So put this to use and see how well it works. So to turn it on, you click on the button once, the main LED light, and this is like the main one on the top. You hit it again, it's a lighter version of it. You hit it again, it turns off. Now, like I said, you can hold down the button and it dims down completely. Hold down the button again, it goes back to high. And then click on that one, then hold the button on this one too, it does something else. It dims down, if you guys can see it. Hold back the button again, it goes high again. So let's turn it on. We'll watch.